iPhone XR say we to iPhone XR e 2023 mu enti yemfa ne say bia obi ne bisa sa question so nse me video about iPhone 15 no be bisa question so or person to iPhone XR or like what your investment no investment in yes on to iPhone XR e this year and now say be 2024 mu definitely no e bia enyo no kwa na ohwe sa video type of video e bia and also ohwe ntina my sa video e about nti yen hwe iPhone XR a phone bi release 2018 and iPhone release iPhone XR nti hwe release iPhone XR no every year bia no iPhone XR receive upgrade what I say nti yen for some release iPhone XR no na e wo iOS 11 every year bia no release update ba iPhone XR nya binti iOS 12 nya 13 nya 14 nya 16 nya then and 17 so iPhone we use iPhone XR ko na obetimi anya iOS 17 e iPhone XR so and then at the same time say high probability say next year no na iOS 18 right until next year no high probability say we use iPhone XR la e bia Apple form for one can upgrade no hobby after I say probability ne high say almost fan count the last 2 years no mu iPhone 7 a free iOS 16 mo what I say that means we use iPhone 7 plus won't mean install iOS 16 what I say nti omo the iPhone 8 iPhone 8 plus X can iOS 16 ho this year omo iPhone X a free iOS 17 if that means the following year no be iPhone XX Max or maybe XX Max XR no way in be free iOS 18 so in case you say oh go to iPhone XR this year so consider upgrade say oh next year no if you mean to me upgrading call iOS 18 no into so hwe bibisa upgrade na nka hwe emfa difference bia ma ko omo use iOS 17 omo use 12 Pro Max kana omo use iOS omo install iOS 17 emfa difference bia mo hwe 16 and 17 na difference bia enim patch ya tell say anti ade ba kwen say ehun nti me sure say upgrade ni be ye reason to be reject iPhone XR cause overall no iPhone XR no kita good camera na me gu so me boboba enti me dikan kan yi ana o release na upgrade na obetimi receiving enti embra network eba network iPhone XR ontimi use 5G what I say and a 5G ne kra no Ghana ha kra no but we do say kind of 4G wo nti that means 5G ni any problem okoto iPhone XR 5G ni any problem but just in case of say MTN for release 5G we use iPhone XR ontimi use 5G what I say obe ka 4G wa ontimi use 5G ni because phone is supportive 5G but I say but you say and that's just in case of say it's a Ghana they need to be a UK just in case of say ultimate ko UK na 5G ultimate use 5G what I say we use 4G even though say maybe our SIM card now got to support 5G network provider not support 5G but still no ultimate use 5G we use 4G because phone now we use no and support 5G into the back one is infantry in case of say auto iPhone XR this year no more be SL on consider no and at the same time iPhone XR ni year IP67 that's increased protection 67 that means phone to so more now far unya problem IP67 iPhone 11 Pro Max 12 Pro Max in IP68 and now make IP60 increased protection you want to say okay CCTV cameras na bobo free protective free na at times we hwe ho so much IP48 ebi wo IP56 and here the level of protection na ebetimi ultimately prevent camera no se bia so be wura na say no patchanti the camera no bo ho a nse camera no nto so ni gba so ni bo fa ho sa ebetimi protect because the level no e wo IP ebia 56 what I say nti we ni so no iPhone XR no the IP resistant IP67 protection from dust then water that means phone show bottom kana insurer you don't have a problem but here is the problem here say okoto phone na free the land no kwan ben so na be for so say bia phone ko mo bi so e phone like almost service phone that cost iPhone XR send me kan buy a check Nti definitely a bit my say phone no mobile so there are a lot of almost 96% and I say 90% of phones na e organ ha iPhone XR na almost service phones no. As I say that means say a elusive protection no. Nti ko to iPhone XR untime fa sa again into team BM say obi a phone show bottom no enso to crown problem. E yo mulizi phone ba mo na untime ko to brand new na e box no but see ade unya sa level of protection no. Nti emphasize into it okoto iPhone a ebia make sure so the not trust no and now the na catch so phone no so phone no what I say phone no bibia what I say unya all functionality no nti phone no just odada what I say nti adeba kwen say consider no iPhone XR no a good phone, the level of protection, IP, then at the same time it's got a good camera and you have battery no over iPhone XR phone no mulizi ba no battery is strong but because of say phone age nti e was system nti no e bia phone do na benya bia no used phone no battery health na 80% battery health na 82% but if I come in say phone no almost service a bit ma say phone no factory battery na e shim no factory battery na ho e dey bit ma say battery health na 85 84 and your factory one no battery no ne ho be den a chense bia okoto na wasasa battery no unim brand cra battery mo ye dey omo de share phone nim but what I say nti a bit ma say factory one na shem na awon mo battery of 80 82 83 no ne ho e den chen dey okoto e dey shem no what I say nti sa na ti ade ba kwen say fan so team no cause they ebe ma battery no battery of swat and say me use iPhone 12 Pro Max bi wa ha iPhone 12 Pro Max na me use phone no me ensure that en charge wo ha got phone no me dey course nko nti phone no nya de bia me use say bia me dey call TikTok me dey WhatsApp me dey yes nti betia ba bia be 4 days 5 days na fikra na me charge battery no and na phone so no we use phone so as at least wha enye so train my battery no extra 20 battery nessa e so one no top it up battery net 40 30 then no top it up so ultimately make it a treatment na ultimately maintain battery but because of how me treat the battery it no then battery of night perform but eno just a battery na say obi betimi ato phone no auto phone no ultimately maintain it battery of no use phone no e one wa charge phone obetimi a maintain battery na no kra na battery of no kra betimi abasro I don't know someone witness BB say obi use phone the battery no to a battery of near 82 but say the battery of near basra yes it may happen but I just into find a battery health because we see how use see our health say ultimate show health ye also that would be a journey bia so what holding back from into say ultimate ba na battery no ai wa holding ultimate the this is no ultimate the year so nya hoden sana etie nti afasade ne twede nti auto phone na battery no overall no make sure to auto free de la o trust ho and at the same time so battery ni bi wa it me pushing no what I say it me pushing say obi pushi battery battery ni programming no na nipa na pushing no nti enye battery na hoden na wa pushing nti say battery ni 82 na battery no mo pushing no ko 80 96 a omo pushi ahoden no enye battery na hoden no ma pushi the how program more programming battery no more pushi as I say and na say o pushi a o say programming na it means battery no it means battery nti it means battery no crack 10 dance first na e won state nti o 82 no mo pushi ba 96 a o use phone no eni ahoden bi crack say 82 no because of say programming no what I say nti battery net anyhow battery met me free 82 no na ba 86 cause it anyhow nti ade ba kwa say ho no nti anything ya ya making sure say obi a onim phone one ne nko on check battery no battery ya push battery battery health ni say battery health ni say already how our battery usage no call battery no who battery usage no the how nipa na charging behavior na tie no nyina bo ma wo so phone wetimi use swatch and as phone no ye dey untimi use nche nti ade ba kwa say hu no what iPhone XR this year, making sure say overpo be a or trust the phone at your system, and then you high probability say or sabeka phone in your papa. What I see, making sure say obi a onim phone and ask nipa na auto no or trust no. You this about apparently overall no. I mean JJ, I mean can't see in case of open so iPhone XR this year and as next year. I did be a good investment. I did about committing I can say iPhone XR no still like it a good camera as compared to new phones in the car banner. Still like it a good camera. And at the same time, so when you videographer no I can say be oh iPhone 14 Pro Max like it a cinematic way or cinematic no. Or when we use iPhone 14 Pro Max and 13 Pro Max, the paddock can use cinematic. So cinematic and now kind of video graphics no more used to so you found it's about daily usage in iPhone XR. I think iPhone XR is one of the best phone but the problem to see how face here or battery so the media can continue still I know iPhone XR this year wait me at all but the problem is say maybe a winner upgrade the following year but yes I know your problem because still an Apple for more upgrade the Apple for more updates security update so any problem so when your iPhone XR at this like year woman a good phone the following year when your iPhone XR a good phone battery no ko be bo anko na battery no problem sisia so battery no be bo anko dia a good phone obetimi ato and now help phone status no how our phone it you know now we say be bo a good phone nti ade a metimi aka reaction nti me just a video bebo oh phone bi wo person me video fa ho if you to comment no me video e dia fa ho follow take him on Facebook YouTube and subscribe channel me the videos be bebra me the videos a ho hia wo gana ha bia de bia unim ade na wo ye no